Hi guys, welcome to Puzzle Stories. Today, we're making a puzzle that might end up giving us customs tariffs or even dragging us into court. That's because it's about someone who loves these kinds of things. Someone whose signature looks like a patient's ECG. Someone who likes to have his decisions enforced all over the world. A man who, before 2016, didn't have much to do with politics, but after that became one of the most controversial politicians of the 21st century. A president who has spent his life trying to fulfill his own dreams. And now, the dreams of his country. Today, we will talk about the life of this man. Let's go back a little. He was born in New York, and interestingly, from a very young age, his father, one of the giants of the construction industry, was giving him allowances that most people couldn't even imagine what to do with. In fact, according to tax records from around the age of 8, he was earning the equivalent of over $250,000 a year. He went to Wharton, one of the most famous business schools in the United States. But his path was different. Instead of becoming an employee, he took over the family business and built massive real estate projects, towers that are now known by his own name. Trump Tower is just one of them. But his global fame began with the TV show The Apprentice, the one where he would shout the famous line, "You're fired," and became one of America's best-known television personalities. And now, I have to say, he's the only person who became president of the United States without any political or military experience. Not just once, but after a term full of controversy and 2 impeachments, he came back and has now been in his second presidency for 6 months. Another interesting fact is that he launched his own social network called Truth Social when he was banned from major platforms. If they kicked him out, he just built his own. He even has his own cryptocurrency brand. Fun fact, Trump is the only U.S. president who has his own star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. And the family's original surname was actually Drumpf, which was later changed to Trump. On top of that, he also published his own magazine called Trump Magazine, focused on luxury lifestyle and power. He has also made cameo appearances in several famous movies and TV shows, such as Home Alone 2 and The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. And he's the author of over 19 books. His famous titles include The Art of the Deal, Think Big, Crippled America, and Time to Get Tough, each showing part of his unique mindset and strategy. During his first presidency, he made decisions whose consequences the world is still dealing with. But his supporters say he's the only one who can stand up to corrupt systems, while his critics argue that he himself is a serious threat to democracy. All in all, whether you love him or hate him, you can't deny that Donald Trump is one of the most unusual, energetic, and controversial figures of our time. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye.